All right, let's be honest. As a freelancer, you're probably drowning in bookkeeping. You're losing hours every month to mind-numbing data entry, hours you should be billing for or using to grow your brand. But what if I told you that all that manual work isn't just wasting your time? It's costing you money and opening the door to some seriously painful and costly errors that can haunt you for years. Well, there's an easy way to automate this whole mess right inside QuickBooks. Today, I'm showing you my step-by-step system to build your own automated bookkeeping machine so you can finally get back to what you do best, growing your business. Section 1, the foundation. Connect your bank feeds. First things first, let's lay the foundation. The single most powerful thing you can do is connect your bank feeds. This is ground zero for your automation. Just go into QuickBooks and link up your business bank and credit card accounts. This will automatically pull in your transactions every single day, which means, poof, no more manual entry. Now, here's a crucial tip. Only connect your business accounts. Seriously. Mixing your personal and business spending is the fastest way to create a massive, soul-crushing cleanup project that will make tax time a nightmare. Section 2, the brains. Master your bank rules. With your transactions flowing in, it's time to build the brains of the operation. Bank rules. Think of these as simple little if this, then that commands for your money. You just have to teach QuickBooks once. If you see a charge from this vendor, categorize it as this expense. You set it up one time for all your usual recurring expenses, like software subscriptions or office supplies, and QuickBooks AI takes it from there. But don't worry, you're still the boss. All you need is a quick monthly check-in to make sure everything looks right and keep your data squeaky clean. Section 3, slay the paper dragon. Capture receipts digitally. Are you ready to slay the paper dragon? It's time to get rid of that shoebox overflowing with faded receipts. Start using a receipt capture tool. QuickBooks has a great one built right in, or you can use an app like Dext. Just snap a photo of the receipt with your phone. The app is smart enough to pull the vendor, date, and amount, and then syncs it all to your books. Just like that, you have a perfect audit-ready digital copy attached right to the transaction, giving you total peace of mind. The paper dragon is officially slain. If a light bulb is already going off in your head about how much time this is going to save you, I've got you covered. I put together a free quick start checklist that walks you through these exact steps. It's a simple PDF guide, and the link is right at the top of the description. Go grab it. Section 4, get paid faster. Automate your invoicing. Now let's get to the best part, getting paid faster. We can automate your invoicing too. Inside QuickBooks, you can set up recurring invoices for your retainer clients so you never forget to bill them. For every invoice, switch on the automated payment reminders. They'll send out polite little nudges for you so you don't have to play the awkward role of debt collector. And here's the real game changer. Enable online payment links. This lets your clients pay with a single click the moment they open the invoice, which can shrink your payment cycle from weeks to days. Section 5, the human element, your monthly review. Look, automation is powerful, but it's not a magic set it and forget it button. It handles about 90% of the heavy lifting, but your brain is the essential final piece of the puzzle. This is your monthly review. Once a month, you'll use your new streamlined system to quickly match everything up and make sure the numbers are solid. This is where you catch the odd exception before it snowballs into a real problem. The software gives you superpowers, but you're the hero who closes the books and ensures everything is 100% trustworthy. And that's the system. You connect your bank feeds, create smart rules, digitize your receipts, automate your invoices, and cap it off with a quick monthly review. You haven't just cleaned up your books. You've built an engine that saves you hours, slashes errors, and gives you a crystal clear, real-time picture of your financial health. Now you can make smarter decisions and focus on what really matters. If this video helped you win back some time, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more tips to help you run a smarter freelance business. Now, I have a question for you. What is the one bookkeeping task you absolutely hate the most? Drop it in the comments below. And if you're ready for more, check out this next video right here.